Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a Minecraft dance floor. So, this is a tutorial how to make a dance floor, and I'm playing on creative mode, but this will be very expensive in survival mode because we will need a ton of observers, and as you may know, to craft observers we need nether quartz mean nether portal, and that's very hard. You have to get a diamond pickaxe, so it's better to just do it in creative because you can get all the supplies. So I got the Minecraft world set up, so let's get started. This is tutorial how to make Minecraft dance. Okay, so I've got everything that you need on this little wall. So you will need a lever, some redstone dust, a lot of redstone repeaters, and even more observers, at least one stack, a lot of redstone lamps, and any building blocks that you would like. So now we can start getting, building the dance pad. Now you can make this wherever you want, however big you want. So first, what we have to do is we have to put a repeater, and then repeater, and then we basically just have to do this and make it so that it's like this. Then we have to connect up those repeaters to one another, and then if we take this out to a lever, if we move out, if we turn all of these to 4 ticks, this will now make a redstone clock. So activate it and then break it, and then we should see this like pattern happening. Now the only way to deactivate this is to break this piece of redstone. Then we can put it back again and this. So now we need to make it so that we have like a piece of redstone over here, and then need to take how much ever long you want. So let's say about 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then set all of them to, like, now that's 1 tick. So 2 ticks, 2 ticks, 2 ticks, 2 ticks, 2 ticks. Now we need to get our observers out, and now we need to start making like this pattern, not that way. So I'll see you in a while after I've done this like floor design, and the observers faces have to be facing the repeaters. So what this will do is when we switch on a redstone clock, then these repeaters are going to activate, deactivate, then our observers will detect that. So this will send an output, and this will detect that. This will send an output, this will detect that, and so on. So I'll see you in a little while after I've done this like floor pattern. Okay, so I've done this like a road pattern. So now, as we see, the observer's faces, this part is a little tricky. These observer's faces are facing the repeaters. Now, if you come on top, you should see these arrows. Now, take your observers and start putting them on top of those observers that we just put. So, as I told, this will take a lot of observers. So we need to continue this all the way so that now we can check out our new pattern. So as you can see, it's almost like go, stop, go, stop, go, stop. Now we can deactivate it for one time, and that's great. Okay. So now all we have to do is we just have to add in our redstone lamps. So we just have to add in our redstone lamps, and then our dance floor will be complete. This takes very less time, but then again it's very expensive in survival. Okay, our dance floor is now done. So now this part is tricky. We have to flick the lever very quickly, then we have to break it. So flip it, and then our dance floor is ready. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'll make more tutorials in the future, but this video is not done. I'm going to try to take this whole thing that we just made, because right now it's looking really ugly. It's just like coming out of the floor. So what I'm going to try to do is take these redstone lamps and integrate them into the floor. So I'll see you after a little bit. Okay, so I tried my best to hide all of the redstone, and as you can see, I've probably done a good job because all you can see is the lever and the redstone lamps. But now that I've integrated all of it into the ground, all of the observers, the repeaters, the redstone, all of that is underground. So use break, and now it's a dance floor. It's in the ground, so it looks way better than that one over there, because over that one you can just see literally everything that's over there. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'll make more tutorials in the future, but for now, bye bye.